Hey guys.
Hey guys, it's day 3 in Vegas.
If we're gonna go to the Arts District today, and then we're gonna go someplace else that's a bit farther, and then everything else we have to do is in that other thing. And yeah, let's hope we finish today and not have anything left over like yesterday.
Yeah. Today it's prettier.
Yep. It's hotter.
Not windy. Sun is out.
Yep. So let's roll. So we're walking to the Arts District.
It's a 14-minute walk.
So we're not taking the bus. In the event that you guys come here and like you don't plan on like you don't have to
like you're able to splurge.
Yeah, if you're ready to spend like money on like food and everything, then right outside the hotel, because the hotel's right behind, right there, see it?
Like a block down.
There's, oh yeah, a block down, there's an IHOP. Across the street is a Denny's. There's a taco place right here.
Oh, there was Carl's Jr.
There's Carl's Jr.
It looks like a McDonald's or Burger King.
I have no clue what it is. We don't have that in New York, so.
So if you specifically stay in this hotel, there's a bunch of foods.
Yeah. So yeah, go crazy. So we're in the Arts District now. It's like normal, I guess. It's like a normal neighborhood, I guess. A little bit like hipsterish, I guess. There's a lot of paintings and stuff. So like, we found this.
Class of 2020.
There's stuff up across the street, and I know there's more over there, but yeah. So this is just a walking tour basically of art.
We'll be showing you guys the beautiful art.
We're walking through an alley. Is this recommended?
Probably not.
Probably not. But it looked pretty.
What we do for you guys.
True. There isn't a lot of people, but there are people. Regular people, homeless people. Like, you will see people. It's just not crowded. It's not like any city type of thing, and it's not like the Strip either. This is also like behind everything, so you can see my hotel is all the way over there, and the Strip is even farther. So right now we're like heading into normality. Check this out, guys. Pretty cool. This is so cool. I think it's cool. It's just we're at the Mob Museum, and we're gonna see if we can get in. I mean, we didn't get tickets.
Organized crime, and law enforcement.
So yeah, let's check it out.
And let's see if we can record inside.
So we're at the Mob Museum, but we can't record.
Can't record. We'll see you later. Hi.
So we're out of the Mob Museum, and now we're gonna eat some oranges. And we're gonna head somewhere. I think the Neon Museum next. It's getting dark, and then we're probably gonna head to Fremont.
Little recap on the
Mob Museum was fun.
It was nice.
It was fun. It looks small on the outside, but it's big. It's 3 floors, and we paid for a special exhibit of like speakeasies and distillery. And
so they gave us like 3 shots of moonshine.
Yeah, and like some other cinnamon.
It tasted like Fireball, and then one that was like ginger.
And then like Jamaican ginger shine. It was good. It was fun. I liked it.
nice.
So yeah, now we're gonna be walking to the Neon Museum.
We're gonna eat a snack. Hey guys.
Alright guys, we're out of the Neon Museum.
We couldn't take the camera inside, so I think he's gonna put a slideshow of pictures.
Yep. So the slideshow must have just ended because we have just left though. Now we're gonna figure out how we're gonna get back to Fremont because
We're deep.
we're pretty far and I'm not trying to walk because walking here is kind of sketchy. Even though it doesn't look sketchy, like the neighborhood doesn't look sketchy, it's just, it looks sketchy that you're walking, so.
It's currently 6:30 p.m.
And it's pitch
pitch
black.
So
Well, we'll see you around. So,
we decided on walking.
Yep.
There's a family in front of us, so we're gonna follow them.
Yep.
But not in a creepy way.
Yep, this isn't a crime. We're not committing a crime here. We're just
wanna feel
walking.
safe.
Walking with more people. Who wouldn't want to walk with more people?
It's safer in a crowd, you know?
It's currently very dark and it's getting a bit cold, a bit chilly, but
Not as cold as yesterday.
not as cold as yesterday. So the coldness of right now was what we were experiencing yesterday in the daytime.
Yeah.
So we're already prepared.
I came with shoes today, no sandals.
Yeah, and if you're going to the art district and all that, I would recommend, yeah, no sandal, no open-toed things, whatever, because there's a lot of sand road, dirt road,
I'm not used to sand.
rocks.
So
yeah, like
you'll feel everything.
that Neon Museum, it's in dirt
Yeah.
or sand, rocks. So
No
yeah.
heels and no sandals.
Yep. So yeah, we'll
Well,
see y'all at Fremont.
Bye.
First, we're gonna stop by. We're gonna stop by Downtown Container Park. Yep. And see what that's about, and then across the street we can go into Fremont and see all of that. So
Exciting.
see you there. We're here, guys. Downtown Container Park.
It's like little shops, right?
I guess so. Yeah. You can eat here. Magic shop.
Oh, there's a little park.
Where? Oh, so this is useful in daytime. Little kid park. There's kids playing on it right now. Hold on, Teeny. Oh, right here in front of me.
I'm noticing all of the neon signs now.
Yep.
Welcome to fabulous downtown Las Vegas, Nevada.
Yeah.
It's the deuce.
That's our bus. Leaving. So we're back. Fremont. We'll take some pictures and I'll post them, I guess, along the way. But right now, I didn't know about this.
We're in front of Heart Attack Grill, and basically if you don't finish your food, they spank you. So if you want to get spanked for not eating, go.
For my spank enthusiasts out there.
It's cool, they like give you like a...
Yeah, they give you bibs. So yeah,
So
we unfortunately won't be participating in the spanking.
won't, but in case you want to.
Well guys, I don't know what this is, but I want to climb it. Everybody's leaving, don't know why. I think we came in through the wrong entrance, but that's alright. We're different, we're built different. And that's the entrance or exit, whatever you want.
It's a Fat Tuesdays.
Yeah, Fat Tuesday.
This is the best frozen daiquiris, bakeries.
I don't know how you say it. Also, there's this thing right here. There's some challenge over there.
Just hold on.
Yeah, to hang on a bar for 2 minutes and you get $200, I think.
200 equal cash.
So we were gonna stop by the Heart Attack grill, but
no gluten-free options.
there's no gluten-free
and I don't think
options.
there's vegetarian options.
And the whole gluten, like the whole vibe of the restaurant is to be unhealthy.
Yeah.
and I just googled it, and they apparently do their fries in the same fryer as onion rings, so be careful, no gluten-free.
Also,
yeah,
another thing, we just did the most New Yorker thing ever.
Yeah, the bus is right here.
We ran for the bus.
Yeah, we ran for the bus, and then we realized it's not in service. But these things don't say not in service, so yep. Hi guys.
Hey guys, we're off the deuce.
We're off the deuce. We're back at the strip because we're gonna get some food. But
the most interesting that
has happened so far. We were on the deuce and a security guard came on. I don't know. I think there's a security guard like for the bus system. But so anyway.
Welcome. The lights at the link begin in 3,
wait, what?
2, 1.
Some security guard guy started talking.
There was a security guy. Let's stand over here. So there was a security guard that got on the bus and he started asking us questions. We were like,
he was like, "Are you from California?" And then we're like, "No, New York."
Yeah. So after a bunch of like trying to understand him and clarifying and everything, because we didn't know what was going on, because he was a security guy asking us questions, and I thought we were going to advertise something,
yeah,
or I thought we committed a crime. So yeah.
No, he was a very nice guy.
Yeah, he was just nice. Well, talking and all, he recommended us a restaurant. And since he got so much information out of us, I thought it was a good idea to get information out of him. So I asked him being here, if he ever comes down to the strip, you know, like the same way New Yorkers don't go to the Empire State Building. And he was like, well, you go once and that's about it, or sometimes you don't even go. I mean, if you want to have fun, just go to the strip, but it's not something that you go to frequently, which is about the same as us with New York.
Yeah.
But so anyway, the most important part was I asked him.
Remember where we were at earlier?
Remember where we were at this morning?
The art district.
The art district, and we were walking, and remember that we were always like, this seems suspicious around here, but it's daytime. Let's cross over here, let's cross over there. Well, I asked him, because we didn't research this before, and I was like, is it safe to walk the streets of Las Vegas? Because I see that there's not a lot of people walking.
And he specifically said,
he comes closer to me and whispers this to me, and he's like, where we are coming from? No.
They call it
Stay away from walking there.
The Naked City.
From where we were from, which was Fremont, we were in Fremont. That area
is a no-no.
Is a no-go if you're walking.
He's like, you're bound to get robbed or whatever. Like,
you're not supposed to walk it.
And here we are, we made it alive.
Because I told him, we were in the arts district this morning, like around 12 and 1 and such, and the streets are relatively empty, like it's all nice and stuff, but there were little to no people. There's people like here and there, but it's not like a lot of people. And he was like, and he was like, where are you guys staying? And I was like, the Strat. And so I was like, so we were walking from the Strat into the art district, and he was like, that's the beginning of Naked City.
So yay for us.
So, because I was telling him, I was like, you know, the New York in us was always like looking around the corners, looking over our shoulders and stuff. And and so basically we were like, well, good thing we know now. So now we are letting you know this information, so you don't commit the same error that we committed.
Don't go to the Naked City.
All right, just exercise. He said to exercise caution and avoid it at night.
And then he searched it up on his phone, and it said that cabs don't go there at night. So
cabs don't go there at night. Yeah. He said that right off the strip, right behind the strip, is a completely different world. And he was like, yeah, if you're off the strip, it only takes like a couple blocks.
You see the difference.
To really experience. He said experience everything. And yeah, that's what we saw, and we didn't know. Because we're used to it. Because since we're from New York, we see everything. Yeah. We see the homeless people on the corners, and we walk through the streets with homeless people on them, and we don't care. Like they could be doing whatever. And
I mean, we still keep an eye, but we're just like used to it. So.
yeah, we're used to it. Like we're really used to it that we just like walk past them, and yeah, they're doing stuff, but we're just like, meh. So that's what we were doing here. We saw the homeless people, and we were like, meh. Like it's pretty normal to me. But yeah, the security guard was like, don't do that.
So good thing we did that and we came out alive, and now we're here. We're just
we were actually, and the funny thing is we were actually contemplating it, because once we got out of the Neon Museum, we had to walk that back. And remember that we were like, oh, there's a family here, we feel safe. If it wasn't for that family, we would have probably Ubered back, because I didn't want to walk that, and neither did she. And it looked very sketchy. I felt that it was sketchy. So yeah, that's that information for you, the people.
Exciting. This is where we said that it looks like downtown
Disney. Yeah, that stuff. Today is much more lively. It's a Wednesday.
It's a lot more.
Today's really lively. We're about to eat, and we feel fat.
We got so much food.
We got pizza.
We got pizza,
And we
flour,
got
and
burgers.
barley.
Yeah.
And then we
Gluten-free,
got
by the way.
In-N-Out.
And In-N-Out. Lettuce wrap. So, gluten-free
We
options.
got lettuce wrap, and then the fries. It's
Yeah,
only fries.
sunflower oil.
Yeah.
They only do burgers and fries.
So it should be gluten-free.
Yeah. So, see ya.
This is delicious. Oh my god.
I've never had such delicious gluten-free pizza.
Hey guys, we are back at the hotel room, and that's it. It's the end of the day.
Yeah, it's been day 3. Yeah, we're wrapping it up tonight. Maybe we'll go and check out the hotel, but probably not. If there's nothing after this, then we ended up not doing it. Bye.
Bye. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.